Hey everyone, welcome back to CureCompassion. And today we're diving into the incredible world of papaya. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful enzymes that can seriously benefit your health. Did you know that the humble papaya is a powerhouse of health benefits? We're going to break down the science behind these benefits and how incorporating papaya into your diet can make a real difference. From boosting your immune system to protecting your vision, papaya does it all. Now remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any specific health concerns, always consult with your doctor. With that said, let's get started and unlock the power of papaya. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. One of the most impressive benefits of papaya is its potential to protect your eyesight. You see, papaya is rich in antioxidants, and one of these antioxidants is a real superstar when it comes to eye health. Zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin is like a natural sunscreen for your eyes. It helps filter out harmful blue light from the sun and digital screens, which can damage the delicate cells in your retina. This is especially important for preventing age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, a leading cause of vision loss. AMD affects the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. This means it can impact your ability to see fine details, read, drive, and recognize faces. By including papaya in your diet, you're giving your eyes a fighting chance against this debilitating condition. Now, let's talk about a fascinating use for papaya leaf extract, its potential in helping to manage dengue fever. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection that can cause a wide range of symptoms, from mild fever to severe bleeding and organ damage. One of the serious complications of dengue is a drop in platelet count, which are essential for blood clotting. This drop in platelets can lead to internal bleeding and other life-threatening complications. And this is where papaya leaf extract comes in. Studies have shown that papaya leaf extract can help increase platelet counts in dengue patients. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and effectiveness, these findings are promising. It's important to note that papaya leaf extract is not a replacement for standard dengue treatment. Morning sickness. It can be an all-day struggle for many expecting mothers. Papaya, that tropical delight, might be a helpful ally. It's a good source of vitamin B6, which may reduce nausea. Even a little relief is worth considering, right? But remember, stick to ripe papaya. Unripe papaya can stimulate uterine contractions. Enjoy ripe papaya in moderation. Let's talk about something common in certain parts of the world: intestinal worms. These parasites can wreak havoc on your digestive system. But fear not, because papaya is here to save the day. Papain, an enzyme in papaya, fights off intestinal worms. It weakens the worms, making it easier for your body to flush them out. Papaya seeds also contain carpane, an antiparasitic compound. If you suspect worms, see a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Adding papaya to your diet might give your body an extra boost. Arthritis. A word that strikes fear in the hearts of many. This debilitating condition affects millions, causing joint pain and stiffness. But what if I told you papaya could help prevent this ailment? Papaya's anti-inflammatory properties are worth noting. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and chymopapane. These compounds combat inflammation, including in your joints. Adding papaya to your diet is a delicious bonus for joint health. Got a toothache? Reach for papaya. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. It can temporarily relieve pain by reducing gum inflammation. Apply a small piece to the affected tooth for quick relief. But remember, see your dentist for a long-term solution. They're the real MVPs for your oral health. Making healthy choices can help reduce the risk of serious illnesses like cancer. Research suggests papaya might play a role in cancer prevention. Papaya is packed with antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and potentially lead to cancer. Antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers. Papaya also contains lycopene, linked to reduced cancer risk. A balanced diet, exercise, and avoiding smoking are crucial for cancer prevention. Enjoy papaya and give your body an extra boost of protection. Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. Finding foods that are both delicious and good for your waistline can be tough. Meet your new weight loss ally, papaya. Papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full longer. A cup of diced papaya is under 60 calories, making it a guilt-free snack. Fiber in papaya aids digestion and prevents cravings. Plus, the enzyme papain helps break down proteins. For a nutritious way to support your weight loss journey, give papaya a try. Alright guys, have you ever heard of using papaya for wound healing? It sounds crazy, right? But trust me on this one. Papaya contains these amazing enzymes, particularly one called papain, that have incredible proteolytic properties. Now, what does that even mean? Basically, papain breaks down dead tissue and promotes the growth of new, healthy tissue. This means faster healing for your cuts, scrapes, and even burns. Think of it as your own personal wound healing superhero, fighting off infection and speeding up recovery time. And the best part? It's completely natural. So next time you're dealing with a minor wound, ditch the harsh chemicals and reach for some papaya instead. You can apply mashed papaya directly to the affected area or look for ointments and creams that contain papaya extract. Just remember, if you have a deep wound or a severe burn, it's always best to see a doctor first. Safety always comes first, my friends. Let's talk about heart health, people. Adding papaya to your diet might give your heart a little extra love. This tropical fruit is packed with nutrients beneficial for your ticker. Papaya is a good source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. It also contains potassium, crucial for regulating blood pressure. And it's loaded with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E. So, show your heart some love and incorporate papaya into your diet. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a silent killer, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We're here to arm you with knowledge and a delicious weapon against hypertension, papaya. Remember that potassium we talked about earlier? Well, it plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. And guess what? Papaya is a fantastic source of potassium. This mighty mineral helps to counter the negative effects of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure. By incorporating potassium-rich foods like papaya into your diet, you can help keep your blood pressure in check and reduce your risk of hypertension. But that's not all. Papaya also contains fiber, which has been linked to lower blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about the powerful antioxidants in papaya, which can help protect blood vessels from damage, further contributing to healthy blood pressure. If you're struggling with hypertension or simply want to be proactive about your heart health, adding papaya to your diet is a simple yet effective step you can take. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. Papaya helps boost platelet count. It benefits your platelets overall. Platelets are crucial for clotting. Think of them as tiny bandages. Papaya leaf extract boosts platelet count. Early studies show it stimulates production. Consult your doctor before making changes. Incorporate papaya for healthy platelets. We all know that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, right? It's like plaque building up in your arteries, restricting blood flow and putting extra strain on your heart. But what if I told you that papaya, with its deliciousness, could actually help lower cholesterol levels naturally? You see, papaya is packed with fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, binding to cholesterol and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Think of it like this. Fiber swoops in and escorts that excess cholesterol right out of your body. Pretty cool, huh? And that's not all. Papaya is also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse that's been linked to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and higher HDL cholesterol, the good kind. We're talking about a 1-2 punch against high cholesterol. But remember, just like with any dietary change, moderation is key. Enjoy papaya as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and stress management. And of course, always consult with your doctor about your cholesterol levels and any concerns you might have. Boost your immune system with papaya's powerhouse punch. Papaya is loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, potent antioxidants that protect your cells. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells. Antioxidants in papaya neutralize these troublemakers, keeping your cells healthy. Papaya also contains papain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Consider papaya as a delicious addition to your immune-boosting arsenal. Alright guys, we all want that healthy glow, right? Well, turns out papaya can actually help with that. It's not just about what you eat, but also what you put on your skin. Papaya is packed with vitamin C, a superstar when it comes to collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps our skin firm and youthful. And guess what else helps? Vitamin A, also found generously in papaya. This vitamin helps with cell turnover, meaning it can help reduce the appearance of blemishes and scars. Now, I'm not saying to swap your dermatologist-recommended skincare routine for a papaya smoothie mask, but incorporating papaya into your diet or even trying out natural papaya-based skincare products could give your skin that extra boost. Remember guys, consistency is key with anything related to health and skincare. Don't expect miracles overnight, but with regular consumption and a good skincare routine, you'll be glowing in no time. We talk a lot about heart health, brain health, but what about bone health? Our bones are pretty amazing. They provide structure, protect our organs, and allow us to move. And guess what? Papaya can lend a helping hand, or should I say, a helping nutrient, in keeping them strong. One of the key nutrients for bone health is vitamin K. And you guessed it, papaya has it. Vitamin K helps your body better absorb calcium, which is crucial for bone density and strength. Low bone density can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, making bones weak and more prone to fractures. But wait, there's more. Papaya is also a good source of calcium itself. So, it's a double whammy of bone-boosting benefits. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes weight-bearing exercises and a balanced diet is essential for maintaining strong bones. Add some papaya to your plate and help your body build that strong foundation. Our kidneys work tirelessly, filtering waste products from our blood and keeping our bodies in balance. They're like the unsung heroes of our internal organs. Now, while papaya can't replace proper medical treatment for any kidney conditions, it can offer some support to these hard-working organs. Papaya is a good source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, damaging cells, and potentially leading to various health issues, including kidney problems. Additionally, papaya's natural diuretic properties can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body, indirectly reducing the workload on our kidneys. Remember, if you have any concerns about your kidney health, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. Ladies, you've all been there. It's that time of the month again, and your cramps are making you want to crawl into a ball and disappear. You're reaching for the pain relievers. But what if I told you there's a natural way to find relief? We're talking about papaya. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious. It also possesses properties that can help ease menstrual discomfort. You see, Papaya contains an enzyme called papain. Papain is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it can help reduce the inflammation that contributes to those painful cramps. Now, I'm not saying papaya is a magical cure-all, but incorporating it into your diet leading up to and during your period might just make things a little bit easier. Think of it as a delicious and natural way to support your body during your cycle. As always, it's important to listen to your body and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns or if your period pain is severe and persistent. But adding a little bit of papaya to your plate? It could be a game changer. Alright guys, let's talk enzymes. Papaya is like a little enzyme factory. It's packed with papain and chymopapain. Papain helps break down proteins, easing digestion. This can help with bloating and gas. It's even used in meat tenderizers. Enjoy papaya for a healthy digestion boost. Let's talk about antioxidants, those incredible compounds that protect our cells from damage. We're constantly exposed to things like pollution, stress, and even processed foods that create free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals are like little troublemakers, damaging our cells and contributing to aging and disease. That's where antioxidants come in. They neutralize those free radicals, acting like little bodyguards for our cells. And guess what? Papaya is loaded with them. We're talking vitamins A, C, and E, plus carotenoids like lycopene and beta-carotene. This powerful antioxidant army helps protect your cells from damage, keeping you healthy from the inside out. Think of antioxidants like rust-proofing for your body. Just like rust can damage metal, free radicals can damage your cells. Antioxidants help prevent and repair that damage, keeping your body running smoothly. And papaya is like a superhero fruit, packed with these protective compounds. So, incorporating papaya into your diet is like giving your body an extra layer of defense against the everyday stresses of life. Remember, a diet rich in antioxidants is essential for overall health and well-being. Wow, we've covered a lot about papaya, from its delicious taste to its incredible health benefits. This humble fruit truly is a nutritional powerhouse. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart and even helping with weight management, papaya has something to offer everyone. Remember, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet is one of the best things you can do for your health. And papaya, with its unique blend of nutrients and enzymes, is a fantastic choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a papaya and experience the delicious power of this tropical treat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for any health concerns. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.